The Filipino adverb or pang-abay minsan means sometimes in English. Minsan. Minsan. Let us have the following example sentences using the word minsan. Minsan ay nakakalimutan kong tawagan siya. I sometimes forget to call him or her. Sometimes minsan and then limot means forget and then ko is I. Tawag is like call and then siya is he or she is gender neutral, him or her. Minsan ay nakakalimutan kong tawagan siya. Minsan ka lang magkaroon ng ganitong pagkakataon. You only sometimes have this kind of opportunity. Minsan is like sometimes ka is you lang only. Karoon is like have and then ganito is like this or this kind of and then a pagkakataon is an opportunity. Minsan ka lang magkaroon ng ganitong pagkakataon. Minsan akong nagtanong sa kanya, I sometimes ask him or her questions or a question. Minsan is sometimes tanong is a question and then sa kanya is to him or to her, it's gender neutral. Minsan ay napapagod din ako sa dami ng ginagawa. I sometimes get tired too with the amount of work. Minsan is sometimes pagod means tired. Din is also or too. Ako is I, dami is like many. And then ginagawa is like work. Minsan ay napapagod din ako sa dami ng ginagawa. Once again, the Filipino adverb or pang-abay minsan means sometimes in English. Minsan. Minsan.